just so much more of an education here, I feel, than just sitting in a classroom listening to somebody talk and read this or copy this down, or he's up and about, he's using his hands, his mind, his body. It's just great to be able to do that.
The ability to explore the physical space and the learning space and not have to sit in a desk for long periods of time. The ability to, and the kind of use of hands to learn at the same time as traditional learning.
I think that the students here really get an engaged, hands-on learning curriculum and opportunity to really dive in and explore their inquiry questions rather than have them filled to them in a vessel. The school here really does provide a whole child experience. We care about the kids' opportunity to experience an emotional, physical, cognitive support rather than just the traditional academic support. There's the whole child experience.